You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this one, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. British English pronunciation, demeanor. Although this is more of the American English spelling, so it should be the US pronunciation, demeanor. De. Some may say de or d at the first syllable. It's generally d. Demeanor or demeanor, US pronunciation. Demeanor, American English. Demeanor, UK pronunciation, British English. Demeanor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.